Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To configure APN settings for a Metro SIM card on an unlocked phone, go to your device's settings. Select Mobile Networks. This may vary depending on your phone. Then, access point names. Here, create a new APN with the following details. Name: Metro PCS, APN, fast.metropcs.com, MMSC, http://metropcs.mmsmvno.com/mms/wapank, MCC, 310, MNC, 260, APN type, default, SUPL, MMS, and APN protocol, IPv4, IPv6. Save these settings, then restart your phone to ensure they take effect. If you encounter issues, verify these settings with the latest from Metro's support website.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.